Good morning, friend. So today we are going to discuss some more example based on the form of equation of lines that we have seen in previous lecture. So basically we see some main point as slope intercept form y equals to mx plus c, where c is y intercept and m is slope of the line. General form we have c ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called general form of straight line. 2 point form is this. So all this information is to finding the equation of line. So based on the given information you need to select the formula. So suppose somehow you are able to find intercept and slope, then you will use this formula. If 2 points are given, slope is not given but 2 points are given on the straight line, then you need to use this formula. The point slope form means one point is given x1 y1, 1 point is given and slope is given. So that is also a equation of using that form also we find equation of line. So that formula is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, here you don't need to find intercept anything. In this you need to find y intercept here. Okay, so now let's solve some example. The example I already have written here, that find the equation of a straight line passing through 4 minus 5 having slope minus 2 by 3. So first of all just observe what information is given. So it is passing through one point, so this point is given, right, and slope of that straight line is given. So which form you will use from the previous discussion? You will use slope point form, this one, right? The slope is given and the point is given. So let's find the equation of line. So let point x1 y1 is given as 4 minus 5 and slope m is given as minus 2 by 3. So using slope point form, we know that the slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is my y1? So my y1 is minus 5 equal to m is given minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1 is this 4. Okay, so y plus 5 equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 4. Now we just need to solve this equation and that will give you the equation of straight line, that is straight line. So I am just shifting this 3 to this side. So I will get 3 into y plus 5 equal to minus 2 into x minus 4. So 3y plus 15 equal to minus 2x plus 8. Now shift everything to this side because we want to write it in a general form which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we always represent the straight line in this form, using this form. So now I'll get 3y plus 15 plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So I'll just write it in a proper way. I'll get 2x plus 3y. So minus plus 15 minus 8. This will get cancel, right? Plus 15 minus 8. So it will be 7 equal to 0. And this is the required equation of line. Okay, required equation of line. All right. Okay, so second example that we are going to discuss is, I already write it here. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point -4, 6 and 8 minus 3. So 2 points are given here. Okay, if you observe, then 2 points are given. Slope is not given. So in this case, we will use 2-point formula for the this formula, right? To find equation of line. So we are going, how we are solving it, just observe it. So I'll just consider it. Let let a x1 y1 equal to -4 6 and b x2 y2 equal to 8 minus 3. Okay, so now from the now it's a 2-point formula. So the equation of line will be equation of line, this will be y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Okay, so now just substitute the values here. Values I have, my x1 is -4, so I'm just substituting value here. Y minus, my y1 is 6 upon y1 minus y2, so 6 minus 3, 6 minus -3 equal to x minus x1 is -4 upon x1 is -4 minus 8. All right. So now this is y minus 6 upon 6 plus 3 equal to x plus 4 upon -4 minus 8 minus 12. Okay. So just I'll write it -6 upon 9 equal to x plus 4 upon -12. Just take this 12 to this side and 9 to this side. We just want to simplify it. Or so -12 upon 9 into y minus 6 equal to x plus 4. So this get cancelled by 3. -4 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 into y minus 6 equal to x plus 4. I am taking this 3 to this side. So -4 into y minus 6 equal to 3 into x plus 4. -4y minus plus 6 into 4 equal to 3x plus 3 into 4. I am just opening the bracket. These are the simple algebra. 24 equal to 3x plus 12. Shift this thing to this side or keep this x positive. I am shifting these to this side. Okay. So I'll get 0, 3x plus 12 plus 4y minus 24. I'm just writing it in a proper way. So this 12 and 25 get cancelled. So I'll get 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. And this is the required equation of line. So just observe it. It's very simple. I hope you are able to calculate the equation of a straight line from this given information. So let's just continue the another example. So the example is, find equation of line passing through 2 minus 3 and parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 7. So one point is given. If you observe here, one point is given and the information is given that the line, this line is parallel to this line. Okay. So from the parallel line concept, we know that if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So if we find slope of this line, suppose this is m1, then this slope will equal to the slope of given line m2. Okay, so indirectly the point and the slope is given, so we are going to use slope point form. Okay, now let a of x1 y1 is given 2 minus 3, and it is given that the line is parallel to 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, if m is slope of above line, this implies m will be slope of given line. Okay, and this is we know from the given condition. So slope of this line m will equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, which is equal to minus, what is coefficient of x? 4 upon coefficient of y is minus 1. So m equal to minus cancel, so m equal to 4. Okay, so slope of the line is 4 and point is given here. So from slope point form we will find the equation of line will be, the equation of line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Just substitute the values here. So y minus, what will be the y1? y1 is minus 3. y1 is minus 3 equal to m is 4. We just calculate m x minus x1. x1 is given as 2. Okay. So I get y plus 3 equal to 4x minus 8. So 4x minus 8 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. I shifted this thing to another side. So I'll get 4x minus y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the required equation of line. So that's how you find out the values. Now try out the example, the same example, but instead of parallel take perpendicular. Okay, so the equation I want you to try is find equation of line passing through 2 minus 3 and parallel to and perpendicular to the line, this line. Now for perpendicular, what you are going to do, if m1 is a slope of this line, then we know that m1 into m2 will equal to minus 1. So m2 will equal to minus 1 upon m1, and that's how you are going to calculate slope of this line. Alright, so just try this example and let me know in comment section if you are able to solve it or you want me to explain the same example. Okay, another example I want you to explain is, prove that, this is the example, prove that this line and this line are perpendicular. So we need to show that these two lines are perpendicular. So how we are going to show? We know that two lines are perpendicular, then their product of their slope is always equal to minus 1. So we are going to find slope of this line 1, slope of line 2, and we will find the product. If it come out minus 1, then we will say that it's perpendicular, otherwise it's not. So we will find m1 slope 1 for this line and m2 slope 2 for this line. So let's just see how I solve it. So slope of the given line, I'll consider the given line is 3x plus 2y equal to 5, the first line. Now let m1 is the slope of this line. Then what will be the value of m1? m1 will be minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So I'll just substitute the value here. So coefficient of x is 3, minus is already here 3 upon coefficient of y is 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Alright. So my first slope or m1 will become m1 equal to minus 3 by 2. This is my m1. Now m2, I'll consider that let m2 be the slope of line. The line is given 2x minus 3y equal to 6. So m2 equal to minus coefficient of x is 2 upon coefficient of y is minus 3. So sorry, Alhamdulillah. So m2 equal to this minus minus cancel, 2 by 3. Okay, now this is the m1 I get and m2 I got. So now what I'll try to find out m1 multiplied by m2. What will I get? m1 is minus 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. So this get cancelled. It is minus 1. So m1 m2 equal to minus 1, which is the condition of perpendicular line. So therefore the given lines are, the given lines are perpendicular. Alright, so I hope you understand it. Now similarly, there may be an example where you need to show that two lines are parallel. So for the parallel case, you need to show that their slopes are equal. If m1 equal to m2, then it conclude that the given lines are parallel. Okay, alright. Now so just to try to solve some example that I am going to give you here. Okay, so few example that I write here, just to try it out. Find the equation of a straight line. The first line is passing through these 2 points. So just use here 2-point formula. 2-point formula for the equation of line. Second is it is passing through this point and parallel to this line. Okay, so use here slope point formula. Find out slope of this line m, and this will be equal to the given line because it's parallel. Second, passing through this point and perpendicular, sorry, this is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular to this line. So find out slope of this line. If this line slope is m1, then given line slope will be minus 1 upon m1. Okay, so this will be the slope of the line. So use slope point formula here again. I hope you understand it. It's not difficult, but still if you have some problem, then just comment it or let me know. I'll explain it again. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Thanks for watching. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.